Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan guys, ituturo ko po sa inyo ngayon kung paano makita o mahanap yung national ID natin sa online. So, let's go! Ayan guys, pupunta lang po tayo sa Chrome. Click lang po natin yan. After that, search lang po natin yung National ID Digital.
Oh no!
After that guys, may makita kayong logo na pula, blue at asul. Okay, click lang po natin yung National ID. After that guys, proceed lang po tayo. Tsaka, itatype lang po natin yung first name, middle name, and last name. Ayan, continue lang po natin guys. Verifying lang po natin yung ating mukha dyan. Ayan. Ayan. Align your face and press start live yes to proceed. Ayan.
Bang!
Ayan. Please wait. Ayan guys, congratulations! You have been successfully verified. You can now view your national ID. Click lang po natin guys yung view national ID. Ayan, makikita nyo na po yung national ID nyo. Gamit lang yung cellphone sa online. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, may makita kayo sa baba dyan guys na digital or download digital ID. So, i-click nyo lang po yan guys. Sa akin kasi na-download ko na. So, ayan. Ayan guys, yan lang po. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Aging Vlog. Bye-bye!